Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background on Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like edit photos, generate AI tools, avatar, animate, etc. on the top of the screen. Scroll down, then you're gonna find instant edits category, from where you're gonna have to select change background and tap on start. Now select the photo that you want to change the background of, then Photoleap will remove the background from that photo. Now from the bottom left corner, tap on choose background. You can also add a photo from your gallery as a background or simply choose from the backgrounds given by Photoleap. And guys, that's it. All you have to do is tap on save from the top right corner and you'll be able to change background on Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.